So, walking through the no man's land out here in Oklahoma. I'm having to walk because this road is a little bit lackluster here, and we could probably get the van in here, but we'd never get it out. Now this ain't too bad here, but up here it gets pretty rough. So the old farm, they got oil out here. What we're working on is that tower there. We got SATCOM, satellite communications, with the FAA on it. I got a new part right here. I got my equipment. I got a little walking stick too with me, just in case I gotta beat off any predators. Let's see. There's a farm right over there, and so farmer's home today. He usually keeps tractors out there. If he wasn't home, I'd see if I can commandeer one of his tractors. Yeah, there's no way you can make it through this. And then it gets even worse. Now my truck I brought out here last time, it's jacked up. And I mean, I don't, you look at that and you're like, oh, that ain't bad. Dude, that's like 3 foot deep there. I'm not even joking. So I'm gonna have to walk around. I mean, if he wasn't home, I'd take his tractor and scrape blade and I'd come out here and fix this. Somebody else has been out here walking. Couldn't get to it either, I bet you. It's just terrible. Ain't no telling how much rent he's getting off of that. Having aviation SATCOMs on this site. Probably getting thousands and thousands on them up, but can't provide us a road. My van, way back there. Anyway, I'll show what we're doing here in a minute. All right, so here we are out here in the middle of nowhere. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of that, or attempt to try to get rid of this duplexer here, maybe. If I can't get it out, I'll just leave it in here. And I'm not walking back the truck for no tools, so it's gonna have to come out. Just like anything else nowadays, everybody's in a rush to get things done and don't want to wait on the right stuff. So, which I understand, but they're spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars trying to, you know, save a little bit of time. But the problem with this one here is it's made in China. Gunshots. Yeah, that's real great. I put the spectrum analyzer on it, and this thing would not tune for nothing. So I don't have a problem with leaving it here, but I'm gonna try to get it out. Get it on out of here. All right. Love how people just cut locks. Call somebody, ask for the code, man. Locks are expensive. Okay. Well, we got it unwired. It should come right out, maybe. There it goes. Guangzhou, China. Awesome. Alright, in this box, get it open. Is this cap right here. A little bit smaller, but guess what? Made in America, baby. So we'll get this guy put on. All right, well, tested it out. Everything's doing pretty good. There it is. We replaced it. Everything tested out fine. I'm waiting for a guy back in Arkansas to call me. We're in Oklahoma, and we're going to check with the satellites and make sure that they can communicate back there out here. So anyway, I think it's a wrap. All right, well, we got it done. Now we gotta walk half a mile or so. See, there's no way. My truck bottoms out right here and it's lifted up. There's no way I could have done this in the van. Oh, pretty deep stuff out here though. Look at the old stuff. Old oil pumping stuff. Rigs. Just sitting here, getting this patina put on it. Pipes in the ground. A bunch of old disconnects there. Big boys too. One time they had a pretty good operation going on here. The heck? Like a dog food bag inside of a pen. Looks like it's been caught on fire. Weird. I don't know what's out here. Seen some bear poop earlier. So we know there's bears, and I seen a bear crossing sign down there on the highway. I got my stick though. I see a bear, I got a whistle on too, see? I can blow the whistle and shake the stick at him. All right. Now see, there used to be an entrance down that way, but the state took it up and they blocked it off. That road looks good. I could drive that road. Now they're forcing me to drive this crappy thing here. There's an old oil well over there. You can see it. Get a better view. That's a new oil well. That ain't no old one. Hold on, let me zoom in on it. Yeah, there. That's how I see it. I hear gunshots too. My van is way down yonder, way. Heard gunshots a while ago too. They probably think I'm trespassing. Hope I don't get shot at. Somebody messing with my van or something. Bust my windows out. I don't know. Just lovely, lovely. I don't know how I get myself into this stuff, really. The only one that they can rely on. All right, I hear people. Hopefully I don't end up in a pit. Drop down the basket and say, it puts the lotion on your skin. I don't know. Anyway, we got some rocks there. Yeah, this road right here ain't too bad. I can make this. It's just all that other stuff I can't. I just can't do it. I'm 5 hours away from home, man. I can't get stuck on a Friday. It's coming up on, I don't even know what time it is, 3 or 4 o'clock. I still gotta get to Missouri and pick up some equipment. and get back to home probably around midnight. So anyway, that's how it be out here in the real world, or in this world anyway. Y'all take care.